Okay, so I have a special video for you today. We're going to do product reviews on two different cordless glue guns. So I have this one by Ryobi. I think that's how you say it. This is a Home Depot brand. Then I also have this one that is a Bleds Glue Gun. So this particular one, I was contacted by the company who sells this one on Amazon and asked me to do a review for them. So I will make sure to leave a link for you if you are interested in purchasing this one. And I will put the information in my bio on this one. So let's compare. This one is run by battery pack, and you do have to have a special charger unit for the battery. This is the longer stem battery, lithium battery, 18 volt. This one works for me. I usually put this in my box when I am going to craft shows or to the location in my local town where I have a booth set up. This is just for any in case emergency kind of things. It does heat up pretty quick within a minute or two, and it does get really hot. So this warning here on the end that says hot may burn, this one will burn if you let it. Trying to read. Let's see what else. This one takes standard glue sticks, which I like and I prefer. That way I don't have to buy any other glue sticks than the standard ones. So I'm going to put this together, and you turn it on and off. By here you'll know it's on when it has the red light indicated. This one is heavy duty, especially when you get that battery in. It's bottom heavy. So if you want something more light duty, this one would work for you. This one is powered by a USB cord that you just plug into the back. When this light is red, that means it's not charged. When it's green, that means it is charged. It has an on-off switch here. It also comes with a removable stand that's pretty nice. So this one will stand up all by itself when you're in use, when you're using it, and which is quite nice. I like the color. Green's not my favorite color. I'm more of a pink and purple. The trigger is pretty easy. This one is more of a fine tip compared to this one. If you're needing more of a fine tip for a fine tip project, this one would be really good. This one does not tend to get nearly as hot as this one does. And this one has the mini glue sticks. So I'm not too much a fan of that. Reason being, if you're using a bigger glue stick, I believe this lasts longer than this does. However, it's effective. I have used this one on a couple of projects. I did find that the glue gun lasted about an hour and a half, and this one will last about that same time, hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and turn these on, and we'll see how quick they heat up. Let me pull out extra glue sticks for both. The Ryobi, like I said, just use standard glue sticks. You can get those almost anywhere. This bag is what came with the Bleds one. So it comes with quite a number of the standard ones, as well as some colored glue sticks. I've never used the colored glue sticks. I think they would be kind of neat, but I would be afraid that I would have colored glue coming out with my regular glue in my projects that I don't want colored glue in. So I would recommend, if you're going to use the colored glue sticks, that you use one particular glue gun for that, and this glue gun would be perfect for that. It's a smaller one, more lightweight, doesn't get as hot. When this one's on, the blue light is indicated, so you know it's on. When this one's on, the red light is indicated, so you know it's on. We'll know these are on when our glue starts to drip out, and I'm not worried about it dripping on my mat. That's fairly easily cleaned up.
Comparing the price, the Bleds Glue Gun is $26.99 and the Ryobi is $29.97. There are additional things for the Ryobi that you may want to purchase in order to use. That price was included in the previous information.
I can see the glue coming out of the end, the dried glue out of the Ryobi. Trying to see if I can see. Yeah, it's starting to come out of the end of that one. Ryobi, we're just going to let that drop to the table. So the Ryobi is ready to go. Our Bleds one, I'm going to give it a squeeze. That one didn't come out by itself, but I gave it a squeeze, and it is flowing freely in the Bleds one. So really about the same in heat up time. So there we go. There's your timing on heating up for both. Like I said, they both last about an hour and a half. The Ryobi may be another half an hour than that, but the Bleds one, I just used it and left it on until it didn't work anymore, and that was about an hour and a half. So overall, depending on what you're going to use a glue gun for, I prefer the Ryobi. I like that it has a battery pack. I could pack more than one battery to bring with me on locations. The Bleds one would be good in that I could bring it with the cord and with the regular charging but with the USB, we could charge this anywhere. So this one would be good for that as well. So depending on the purpose that you need a glue gun for, I like Ryobi the best. However, I see the value in the bleeds. I like that it's lightweight. I like the color.